There are two special right triangles that you absolutely need to memorize for trig. They are the 45-45-90 triangle and the 30-60-90 triangle. Using these special triangles, we're going to solve the trig ratios. So if I have tangent of 60, for 60, tangent is opposite over adjacent. So in a 60-degree triangle, the opposite angle of 60 degrees is the square root of 3, and the adjacent is 1. So my answer here is the square root of 3. For 19, sine of 45, my 45-degree angle, it does not matter which one I pick. So if I have 45 degrees, sine is opposite, just 1, and the hypotenuse is the square root of 2. This is not allowed. I have to rationalize the denominator, and I get the square root of 2 over 2. For cosine of 30, cosine is adjacent, so adjacent to 30-degree angle is the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. Tangent of 45, tangent is opposite over adjacent, so 1 divided by 1, which gives me 1. Cosine of 60, adjacent to 60 is 1, and the hypotenuse is 2. Sine of 60, opposite 60, is the square root of 3, and the hypotenuse is 2. Cosine of 45 is 1 over the square root of 2. And again, you must rationalize the denominator, which is the square root of 2 over 2. For tangent of 30, opposite over adjacent, so 1 over the square root of 3. Radicals are not allowed on the denominator, so therefore I'm going to rationalize the denominator. For sine of 30, it is opposite over hypotenuse, or 1/2. This is summarized in the chart for you, all the tangent values. Note, tangent of 90 degrees is undefined because you cannot divide by 0. If we're going to use this in problems, if we're given that AC equals 7, we need to find BC. Well, because this is a 45-45-90 triangle, my sides are congruent, and BC is 7. If BC is 10, then I need to find AB. Using our special right triangles, we know that the hypotenuse is the side times the square root of 2. If AB is 11 square root of 2, to go back to one of the legs of the triangle, we're going to divide by the square root of 2, which just leaves us with 11. For the other way, if I'm given that AB is 10, and I divide by the square root of 2, I have to rationalize the denominator, so I'm going to multiply by the square root of 2 on the numerator and denominator, which is essentially like multiplying by 1. So I'm left with 10 square root of 2 over 2, which simplifies to 5 square root of 2.